Union Home Minister Amit Shah now hit out at the Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, going on to say that opposition questioning surgical strikes is only doing so because of their politics of appeasement and of minority vote bank.
लोगों का माइनॉरिटी वोट बैंक की लालच इतनी बड़ी है कि सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक को भी क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं। सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक भारत की रक्षा नीति की इतनी महत्वपूर्ण अहम घटना थी कि जिसने दुनिया के सामने अमेरिका और इजराइल के बाद भारत को तीसरा देश हमारा जुड़ा, जो अपनी सीमा और सेना के साथ अगर कोई छेड़खानी करता है तो घुसकर जवाब देने का दम रखता है। पूरे देश को सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक पर गर्व है।
Payal joining me, getting us more perspective of this political fight. Payal, unfortunately for the Congress, one after another, leaders have come out, raised doubts on the centre's policy vis-a-vis Pakistan is concerned. It's given the BJP pretty much an issue on the platter.
Well, absolutely. Given the fact that national security is something which the BJP is constantly been speaking about, and this comment coming in here from Revanth Reddy. Now, Revanth Reddy is no ordinary person. He's a sitting chief minister. He's somebody who's occupying a constitutional position in the state. If he makes statements like this, questioning the valor of our soldiers, and probably there's nothing much that we can really say in terms of that. But yes, the Congress party seems to be falling into this trap of the BJP, basically falling into this trap of questioning surgical strikes. We've seen what really happened to those people who questioned the surgical strikes in the last election as well. And the BJP leaders are of the opinion that the script of the Congress party and the other opposition parties has not changed. And the results are going to be there for the for people to see on the 4th of June, given the fact that the people of the country have supported the attack that India has in fact hit out at Pakistan. Whenever Pakistan has tried to invade, the Indian forces have been able to effectively counter that and avenge the revenge for all the attacks that have happened, whether it is in Pulwama, Uri, or even Balakot. So that's something which, of course, has been said time and again by the BJP leaders. In a way, at a time, when you're looking at elections, for top leaders of the Congress party to come out and make such a claim is, of course, an indication of a vote bank politics. That's what the BJP really has been saying, because in the past few days, we've seen Manishankar Ayar make that comment. We've also seen, former Pakistani minister come out in support of Rahul Gandhi and called him Shabash. And also, we all do understand what Pakistan's line has been. Pakistan has constantly tried to lead India. India has been able to take Pakistan onto the global map, expose Pakistan on the global map, get them alag thalak, as they say, in the language over there, that they've been isolated at world stage as well. India has been able to say that, all the issues concerning India's own sovereignty are absolutely supreme. And anybody who tries to meddle with India's internal affairs, whether it is the elections or whether it is, of course, on issues like Kashmir, India will not accept any response whatsoever from any country, which of course tries to meddle with India's internal affairs.
Absolutely. That is the kind of